So I was just minding my own business, working on cutting out all these wonderful flowers for my mystery boxes and all the orders that I have. And I was gluing my book pages for tonight's live, just working on stuff. Then I messaged Crafty Irina, and I'm like, hey, did you get that journal? And she said, yes. She said, did you get your stuff? And I said, what? I ran over to the post office, and I noticed I had some stuff. Not the post office. My mailbox, not the post office. Oh my gosh. The mailbox. And so I got this awesome package, and she told me she wanted me to make a video. So I'm doing it. She actually sent 2 boxes. I'm like so overwhelmed with what is in here. Oh my god. It's good tape. It's good government tape. Okay, so awesome. So she sent some Tyvek envelopes, which is, if you guys don't know, it's for like spines, to work on the spines of journals. So that's exciting, super big. I use this all in my journal making, spines and projects, especially crazy quilt paper and embellishments. Very cool, very cool. Let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is this? Let's just paper. Okay, so heard you need more colored thread. Though these are the ones I always use. Enjoy. What? I'm freaking out right now. What is in this box? Oh my god. What? Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't even want to open it. Oh my god. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my god, Crafty Irina. Oh, I'm freaking out right now. Are you serious? Look at you guys. Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. Wow. This is, I'm gonna cry right now. This is amazing. Wow. All the color thread I could think of. Oh my god. Oh, wow. And they have the dark reds. Oh my god. 2 of the dark reds. And that pink I use. The teal I love. It's got all the colors. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Crafty Irina. Oh my god. What is this? What is this? Heard you needed music sheets. Found these at my antique store for you. It's 1906. After you scan, use, and play with these sheets, use cover for next journal. What? Well, I'm definitely going to scan these. That's for sure. Wow. It's a pretty thick book too. Wow. No way. Oh, I can't wait to scan these. Of course, I'll make some available to you guys for free. Of course. Oh my god. And then the journal cover is so big. Such a big book. Wow. Thank you so much. And then some more. Oh, wow. Very cool. How cool is that? Wow, this is a nice book. Oh my goodness. That was the first box. I can't. This is like too exciting. I'm probably opening it way too fast, but I'm too excited to like go any slower. Wow, I'm already amazed at what was in that box. I wonder what else she jammed in this box. Oh my god. Thank you so much for joining me on my lives, Irina, and for giving everybody all such awesome stuff, just for watching my lives and buying some of my stuff. You're honestly, everybody says you're sweet, and it's so true. What's in here? Oh my gosh. What is in here? Let's see. These clips are awesome to keep your clusters together. Hope it works for you. How cute. Oh, from Daiso. Very cute. These would be adorable. Some rub-ons. How cute is that? Oh, these are so sweet. What is this? What is this? Oh my god. Bought some and sharing with you. Oop, the box just fell behind me. Oh, wow. How cool is this? So it's a bunch of fabric samples. Very cool. Look at that. I could probably quilt these into a bunch of covers, huh? Wow. Love it. Love it. My cat is having a sneezing fit in the background. Okay, so these must be little notebooks. Yes, little cute notebooks. Very cute, 2 of them, glittery. Super cute. Let's see what I do with those. I always use notebooks to write stuff down, so I'll probably just use that to write stuff down. Let's see, what does this say? Okay, what does this say? This will erase all dry glue messes. Lori Jagardish gifted me 1 year ago, and I love them. Oh, that's great for when I get glue on the paper. She's watching me too closely. Look, she's like, oh, this girl needs help. Let me help her out. You're too sweet. And then a really cute pink measuring tape. Adorable. Love it. Okay. Let's see. I heard you like little envelopes. No way. It's the little envelope punch. Ah, this is so cute. Wow. I'm going to have so much fun with this. Just watch. It's going to be like 1 whole week of making envelopes with punch. Excuse me. Heard you can't live without these. What is it? Oh my god. Oh, no, she did not. She did not buy me 6 pieces of dress. I'm dying. I feel stalked right now. I'm just kidding. I love you. Oh my god, this is so great. I'm like, I can't tell you how many times a day I need a chapstick nearby me. So this will help keep them very close. It's true. I can't live without my strawberry chapstick. I'm dying right now. This is too funny. Oh my goodness. Oh, and some more. Oh, some awesome long glassine bags. How cute. Perfect to fold in half and put in a signature. Nice. Quite a few of those. Ooh, some nice, like, it's almost a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inch by 6 inch envelopes. Nice. Very cute. And then some pastry bags, it seems like. Very nice. It's almost waxed, but it's even nicer than waxed. Love it. Very nice bags. I can't wait to use them, of course. And my signatures. Oh my gosh. Very nice craft bags. Oh, it feels so nice. Okay, and then, oh, these are wax. I can feel it. Oh, that's a nice feeling. It's going to make me want to go buy some more. That's, ooh. Something about this wax feels real good. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. What is in here? Oh my god. Oh, no way. Look at, I was telling her I was freaking out because I was almost out of my craft paper, you guys. I'm freaking out right now. Oh my god, I needed a nice new bunch of paper. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, and for all your crafty ironing needs, tabletop pad. No way, that's so cool. Ah. I'm gonna have to be, it's a nice big rectangle for ironing. Wow. I did need this for sure. She pays too much attention. Well, she just solved my crafting needs for like 20 years. Thank you so much, Crafty Irina. Like, this is awesome. I hope you enjoyed the journal, because I know I'm going to enjoy all these goodies and make more journals. And I'll definitely send you some more stuff soon when I make some more stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god, the punch board, you guys, though. Oh my god, the punch board. And then the craft paper, because I was almost out of it. Because she sent it to me a while ago now. Oh my god, I'm way too excited. And then the chapsticks, you guys. Are you serious? She sent me 6 strawberry I honestly can't wait to open these up. Okay, that's it for this video. She wanted me to film it. I'm super excited about all the stuff I got. Thank you so much for joining me on this channel. And I'll see you guys tonight, 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for my live keeping on with the book pages. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.